The 2017 Fiat Tipo. After relying on a handful of mostly uncompetitive models in Europe, Fiat is finally getting the attention it deserves from FCA. Having launched the 500X Mini SUV in 2014, and the 124 Spider at the Los Angeles Auto Show, the Italian brand is now introducing a new compact sedan that will replace the aging Linea. The new four-door goes by the name Tipo, and it is aimed at the highly disputed C segment, which includes nameplates such as the Toyota Corolla, Ford Focus Sedan, and Chevrolet Cruze Sedan. The Tipo name, meaning type in Italian, is not new, as Fiat used it for a hatch it built between 1988 and 1995. Bolted on a then brand new platform it shared with various Alfa Romeo and Lancia models, the Tipo replaced the Ritmo. In 1995, it was phased out to make way for the Bravo and Brava twins. Described as a functional car which maximizes value for money, the Tipo was designed in Italy, developed in Turkey, and will be marketed in more than 40 countries in Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. Not surprisingly, the sedan won't cross the pond to the US, where Fiat will only sell its 500 range and the upcoming 124 Spider. Fiat has high hopes for the Tipo in Europe, but will the compact sedan have what it takes to compete against the more popular Toyota Corolla and Ford Focus? Find out in our review below. Updated November 27, 2015, Fiat dropped the official details on the new Tipo compact sedan. Continue reading to find out more about the 2017 Fiat Tipo. Exterior. While the Linea wasn't an ugly compact, its design was rather dated compared to its rivals. The Tipo comes in to fix just that with a fresh design language that's more in line with that customers expect from an affordable car in 2016. Overall, the Tipo is nearly identical to the Egea concept that Fiat showcased earlier in 2015. Overall, the Tipo is nearly identical to the Egea concept that Fiat showcased earlier in 2015. Up front, the sedan sports a wide grille that appears to feature floating chrome inserts, a pair of stylish headlamps, and a nicely sculpted engine hood. Around back, the Tipo retains the Egea's C-shaped headlamps, the chrome trim above the license plate, and the pointy trunk lid. When viewed from the side, the Tipo boasts a more premium appearance thanks to its pronounced waistline, chrome door handles, chrome lower window trim, and body-colored mirror caps. The sedan can be had with either 16 or 17-inch wheels and one of 7 exterior colors. These include Gelato White, Colosio Gray, Amore Red, Cinema Black, Maestro Gray, Magnetico Bronze and Canal Grande Blue. Further customization is possible via Mopar's accessories catalog. As far as dimensions go, the Tipo is about the same size as the Linea. Specifically, it's 28 mm 1.1 inches shorter, 62 mm 2.6 inches wider, and only 3 mm 0.1 inch taller. Despite being slightly shorter, its wheelbase is 33 mm 1.27 inches longer than the Linea's. Despite its somewhat boxy appearance, the Tipo has an excellent aerodynamic coefficient of only 0.29. Exterior dimensions. Interior. Even though most surfaces are still hard plastic, the Tipo's cabin feels more upscale and roomier compared to the previous model. The interior is also a significant departure from the Linea, featuring a fresh disboard design, a cleaner center console, and a brand new steering wheel among other features. Even though most surfaces are still hard plastic, the Tipo's cabin feels more upscale and roomier compared to the previous model. Fiat brags about class-leading legroom and a comfortable rear passenger compartment, as well as a 520 liters of luggage space available in the trunk thanks to the 60/40 split rear seat. On the tech side, the Tipo comes standard with an LCD screen, AM, FM radio, and Bluetooth. To get the 5-inch Uconnect touchscreen, which allows access to an array of functions including DAB radio and multimedia connectivity, customers will have to select an upper trim model. Finally, the third-in-range topping version adds TomTom 3D navigation with TMC and IQ routes and a 220-watt audio system with 2 tweeters, 2 mid-woofers, and 2 full-range speakers. Much like the exterior, the interior will also benefit from a range of Mopar accessories. Drivetrain. The compact sedan will become available, depending on market, with 2 gasoline engines and 2 diesels. The gas range begins with the 1.4-liter, 4-cylinder, fire unit, which cranks out 95 PS and 127 Nm of torque, 94 horsepower and 94 pound-feet. Although it's far from fast given it needs 11.5 seconds to hit 62 miles per hour on its way to a top speed of 185 km per hour, 115 miles per hour, Fiat claims it will return strong fuel economy and require low running costs. More power comes from the 1.6-liter e-torque, which uses graphite-coated pistons, forged connecting rods, and an aluminum oil sump. More power comes from the 1.6-liter e-torque, which uses graphite-coated pistons, forged connecting rods, and an aluminum oil sump. Rated at 110 PS and 152 Nm of torque, 108 horses and 112 pound-feet, this 4-pot takes the Tipo from 0 to 62 in 11.2 seconds and up to a top speed of 192 km per hour, 119 miles per hour. Those who prefer diesels can choose between the 1.3-liter and 1.6-liter multi-jet oil burners, both using forced induction. The smaller unit delivers 95 PS and 200 Nm, 94 horsepower and 148 pound-feet, and charges from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 11.7 seconds. Top speed is rated at 180 km per hour, 112 miles per hour. Consumption is estimated at 4.1 liters per 100 kilometers, with CO2 emissions at 108 grams per kilometer. When selected in its eco version with start-stop technology and low viscosity oil, fuel efficiency increases to 3.7 liters, 100 kilometers, while emissions drop to 98 grams per kilometer. Finally, there's 1.6-liter multi-jet. At 120 PS and 320 Nm of twist, 118 horses and 236 pound-feet. It's the most powerful unit available for the Tipo. With this engine under the hood, the sedan hits 62 miles per hour in 9.7 seconds and goes up to a top speed of 199 km per hour, 124 miles per hour. Fiat claims it needs 4.2 liters of fuel for each 100 kilometers and emits 110 grams of CO2 per kilometer. Both the gasoline engine mate to a 6-speed manual transmission, while the 1.3-liter diesel gets a 5-cog unit. The 1.6-liter oil burner is the only one fitted with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. Drivetrain specifications. Suspension. At the front, the Fiat Tipo uses an independent McPherson layout optimized to reduce the loss of camber and to increase maximum side acceleration and road hold. The front anti-roll bar is connected to the suspension via composite material connecting rods, which reduces vibrations and improves comfort. At the rear, the sedan has an interconnected wheel torsion beam suspension made from high-strength materials for reduced weight. Stopping power comes from self-ventilating discs at the front and drum brakes to the rear for the gasoline and 1.3-liter diesel versions. The 1.6-liter diesel is the only model to use rear disc brakes. Safety. The Italian sedan comes with 6 airbags as standard equipment, ABS with electronic brake distribution, and tire pressure monitoring. Other features that are either standard or optional depending on the trim level include parking sensors, park assist system, rear camera, cruise control, and electronic stability control with panic brake assist, hill start assist, and traction control. Prices. Fiat has yet to announce specific prices for Europe's biggest markets, but in Italy the Tipo retails from €14,500, about $15,365, which makes it only €900 more expensive than the base 500. Considering that the 500 retails from €12,250 in Germany, the Tipo should start from around €13,050 in that country. In the UK, the sedan could fetch around £11,610, around $17,465 in base trim. 3 trim levels will be available in most markets: Uconnect Radio, Uconnect 5 inches, and Uconnect 5 inches nav. Production will commence at Fiat's Bursa plant in Turkey, with deliveries to begin in 2016. The vehicle will be sold in Europe and several markets in the Middle East, and Africa. Competition. Toyota Corolla. Launched in February 2014 on the European market, the 11th generation Corolla can be ordered with one of 3 engines in most markets. The base model comes with a 1.3-liter gasoline engine rated at 99 PS, while the most powerful gas version uses a 1.6-liter 4-pot generating 132 PS. Toyota also offers a diesel engine, in the form of a 1.4-liter unit that cranks out 90 PS. Pricing starts from €18,690 in Germany, which makes the Corolla a rather expensive proposition to the Fiat Tipo. Find out more about the Toyota Corolla here. Conclusion. It took Fiat a lot of time to come up with a replacement for the Linea, but the new sedan seems to have what it takes to become an important vehicle in the compact market. Sure, it won't be a match for popular choices such as the Toyota Corolla and the Ford Focus, but it should pose a threat to other nameplates. It's not the most powerful compact sedan out there, but it's definitely one of the most affordable, which should make it popular in emerging markets. Love it fresh, modern styling, reasonably priced, diverse engine lineup. Leave it needs a performance-oriented drivetrain, not coming to North America. Tough segment spy shots. October 26, 2015 first testing session.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.